Hey everybody, welcome back. Another weekend in the garage here. Last weekend, took a trip up to Regina. There was the Pile Apart swap meet put on by the same guys who do the deep freeze vintage motorcycle and chopper show in Regina. I don't have the address, but I think I took a video of the poster, so I'll post it up in the video here. But yeah, there was some cool stuff at the swap meet. If you're into vintage bikes, especially old Harleys, man, there was so much stuff there. I did manage to make a couple finds here for the Moonshine Virago. I haven't decided what I'm calling her yet. I'm kind of leaning towards Copperhead. I know, kind of passe, it's been done, but it fits. So we'll see. Either that or her call her by her name, which is going to be Bobby Joe Gentry. Any country music fans probably recognize that one. So yeah, let's. So I'm gonna swap around here. Show you. First thing that I'm really excited about. I got these seats. Front, back. The back, I'm not sure if I'm going to use, but the front seat, man, this thing, it was designed to fit on here. Like, freaking perfect. And it's going to be super easy to fab mounts to mount that there. The other thing I'm debating about is, do I take the back passenger seat and modify it to make a backrest, or do I keep the standard Virago backrests like those ones there and just kind of modify those and make those work? So not sure. Let me know what you guys think, which one might be better. Not entirely sold yet on what I want to do with that. What else did we pick up there? Oh, I got some handlebars too. Some 6-bend 1-inch tube bars. They're going to go kind of like that. It's going to give me more of the riding position I was looking for in this. I want something that's a little more laid back. Yeah, I want something that's a little more laid back, keeping the riding position more relaxed, having your arms down a little lower. Like I said, it's not going to be a bike that I'm taking for a lot of long rides. So it's not as critical on riding position, but I do want something that's going to be a little more interesting, a little more chopperish. What else? I think we went over. I've kind of been working temporarily on my wiring, getting all that sort of set up to run the bike with the very minimal wiring required. The bike does fire up now just with this basic wiring, so all I got to do yet is string the wires for all the lights, fuel pump, and that's kind of gonna be it. I think I'm not gonna worry about the kill switch on the handlebars. I'm gonna put the key switch. I think I'm gonna relocate that down a little lower as well, down by the battery box. I may be doing a custom battery box. Haven't decided yet on that either. So yeah, otherwise we're gonna be stringing some wire. I'm gonna lay out some of my copper pipe, get fish some wires through there, get that stuff sorted out. And otherwise, yeah, we'll just see what we can accomplish today. Oh, you ever have those days where you just, man, I am squirreling so hard on this thing today. I am all over the place. Try and get some more wiring accomplished. I got the, definitely put the new handlebars on there. I just wanted to see sort of the riding position, stuff like that. But now with the new bars, I need new risers. We need longer throttle cable, longer brake cable, longer clutch cable. Make one change and you got to modify a dozen other things. So I guess it's all part of the fun of trying to build a custom chopper, right? Anyways, we're going to try and continue on, try and get some more wiring figured out here. And kind of go from there. I don't know. Might be an early day, might be a shorter video this time, but we'll see how it goes. So the struggle I've got now is the original bars were a 7/8. These new ones are 1 inch. So none of my controls fit. So that's going to require some slight modification, and I'm going to have to do something totally different for the choke now. Gosh, hang up, Bobby. Okay, struggle continues. No, I don't like it. I think my best option is I'm going to have to buy another assembly for a 1 inch bar for this side to control the lights. Yeah. My budget build is getting more expensive every time. Oh well. Price pay, right? And for right now, I'm just running all of these wires temporarily, holding with Marrettes, so that I can make sure everything is going to be hooked up and working correctly before I tuck all these wires inside of my copper pipe loom, because that'll make it a little difficult to troubleshoot and change if it's not right. Don't be afraid to label your wires when you're doing this kind of stuff, because as much as you want to fool yourself and say, oh yeah, I'm going to remember where that wire goes. Oh, shit. I just got the wrong wire because I'm not frickin' paying attention. I'm trying. I just my brain is not functioning on this today, so I'm going to call it for the day. Go in, help the wife do some stuff in the house, and yeah, as I said, brain's fried for some reason today. I'm making mistakes on my wiring. It's when you're having days like that, sometimes it's better just to say screw it and try again another time. I don't know if I'll get back on the bike this weekend. I'm hoping I will, but we're making a road trip tomorrow. We have a film premiere up in Saskatoon at the film festival up there. So we're going to be heading up to that tomorrow afternoon and evening and spend the night up there. So we'll see what it's like when I get back on Sunday. But if not, maybe a short video this week, and I'll just do some editing on Sunday, post that up, and then we'll maybe try again next weekend. See ya.